like to dance with you? And she'll say, sure, come there. And that's it, okay?
So, what's your name? My name's Pistol.
You gotta do the manly walk.
Manly walk. What's your name?
Eyeballs.
My name's Pistol. Nice things.
Say nice thing, and then you ask her to dance after that. You want to practice on a real girl?
I don't know, Grandpappy.
I think you can do it. We need to get you some practice. Don't you think you need some practice?
Yeah.
You need some practice.
All right.
Let's find you a lady. Let me see here. Who do we get? Let me find them. Helen Bachelorette here. No one too young. No one too old. 40. Where did she? Oh, there she is. I knew I saw one earlier. You're trying to run away, weren't you? You come over here. Come on. No, you got to be part of our skit. Okay?
Grandpappy, she's too pretty. I can't.
No, you can do it. Come on.
All right.
Nope, you're so strong. You can sit right here. Okay, now what's your name there, lady?
Emily.
Your name, this is Emily. Everybody say, hey, Emily.
Hey, Emily.
Now, I promise that my grandson, Pistol Pete, and Emily have never met before, okay? They don't know each other. And Emily, here's what you need to do. Pistol is had some trouble talking to girls, okay? He's been going about it in a wrong way. I just gave him some pointers, so he's going to try it out on you, okay? He's going to practice, and I need you just to be honest. Whatever you think about what he's doing, you just tell him like it is. Okay, Pistol. Pistol, what are you doing?
Practice it.
No, come back over here.
All right.
You got to practice on Emily. You're way too far away.
All right, hold on.
You got to get closer.
Sure she doesn't walk about.
No, don't do the vibes. Try not loud. No vibes. No, he's not going to do that. Come on. And then walk like I showed you. There you go. Now look at her in the eyes. Look at her in the eyes. In the elbow. Just stay right there. He's not going to hurt you. He's not going to hurt you. It's going to be okay. Look at her in the eyeball, Pistol.
It's ready.
Tell her who you are.
Hi. My name is Pistol Pete. What's your name?
Shake her hand.
Oh, she touched me! Oh, this is working already! Woo! Oh, sorry.
Okay, it's okay.
That is too loud.
Say something nice about it. Compliment her, Pistol.
You look hotter than a dragon snout.
Oh my God!
One of them really angry fire dragons. Hot.
Sit down. Okay.
You want a tango? You want a samba? You want a foxtrot? Mambo?
No, it's too loud.
Line dance?
There you go.
Two-step?
Maybe.
Waltz?
Maybe.
Polka?
That wasn't like a great compliment.
What?
That wasn't a great compliment.
Well, I have to be honest. I kind of liked it. I'll be honest.
What do y'all think, ladies?
Well, you need to try something else.
All right.
Whatever comes. The first thing to your when you look at Emily, what comes to your mind? What do you
Hair.
want to tell her?
The hair on your body is nice and it flows long and brown and it's curly like a baby egret. It's fresh out of the shell, taking flight. Flying like that guy. Flying over the majestic mountains. Your hair is flying over the majestic mountains like a glorious egret right after birth.
Are y'all serious?
It doesn't get any better than that. He can.